In this video, let me show you how to fix low-value content error in AdSense account. First, visit the Google AdSense homepage. You can reach this by signing into your Google account and navigating directly to the AdSense page. Now, direct your attention to the payment section and then click on Payments. After that, look for the section. Next, if you've already gone through identity verification before, but need to verify again or resend your personal identification number, you will see a Resend PIN option, and then click on the Request Another PIN if yours got lost or hasn't arrived. Now make sure your mailing address is correct to avoid any delays. After that, once you receive the PIN, follow the instructions to enter it and complete your verification. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.